Oh, look at this. Our male, probable male sunbird. Did rain a bit. Even then, by the end of the day, almost half an hour left to get dark, and this is what she's doing. Lovely, isn't she? No, no, it's he, it's him. I had not seen her before doing this. I had seen her though, not to this extent. Completely into it. You watch the tongue of the bird with which it will drink the nectar. Oh, it's going to go on and on and on. And this is all that I can zoom. I don't know why. I was able to zoom much more. I wonder why. Away. Let us wait. Oh, by the way, our female did fly in to the same place, to the same branch. The fur of this will always be like this only. Unlike that, the adult male, both are doing the same business. Of cleaning and putting the feathers in proper position. By the way, our nest, I did observe a little something different today. Just while heading back, while walking this by the side of the nest, I did observe three finches. Unbelievably, I hadn't watched three of them together at all. Whenever I watch the nest, I can see two of them flying off. But which is that third one, I wonder? Hey baby, it is sitting on one leg. See? Lovely. Sitting on one leg. Lovely cutie. Come closer. Come closer. That's it. We have filmed these sunbirds a lot, lots and lot. Yellow belly especially, they have settled down here, having lots and lots of lantana flowers. So let us stop here and come back for the next clip. Have a nice day.